This is our peristaltic pump model PP-1. These compact size and lightweight pumps are suitable for applications requiring low flow. Flow range from 1 milliliters per minute to 140 milliliters per minute, depending on the tube size and the type of the motor. These peristaltic pumps are made with special gear systems which eliminate slippage problem, which is common in many other types of peristaltic pumps. These pumps are available in 2 gear-down motor for very low flow rate requirements. Pumps with brushless DC motors are available for longer life applications. These pumps can be used for viscous and non-viscous fluids. For more information, please give us a call or visit our website at binacaproducts.com.